Today we are going to learn how to make Malaysian Red Chicken or Chicken Masak Merah in Spoken Malay. Mula-mula kita kena sediakan ayam untuk digoreng. We have to prepare the chicken first. Masukkan ayam yang sudah dipotong begini dalam mangkuk. Put the chicken that has been cut like this, small pieces, bite-sized chunks, into the bowl. Masukkan sesudu kecil kunyit. Add a teaspoon of turmeric. Masukkan setengah sudu kecil garam. Add a half a teaspoon of salt. Gaulkan sehingga sebati. Mix it well. Buka api dapur tahap sederhana besar. Turn on the stove. Panaskan minyak masak. Heat up the cooking oil. Masukkan ayam. Put in the chicken. Dalam beberapa minit terbalikkan ayam. After a few minutes, turn the chicken over. Be nice and golden. Warna keemasan. Apabila sudah menjadi begini, kita boleh angkat dan letakkan di tepi dahulu. Once they look like this, golden, you can take it off the heat and set aside. Untuk membuat kuah, kita akan gunakan lesung batu. Kalau tak ada lesung batu, guna pengisap makanan ataupun blender pun boleh. For the sauce, we're gonna smash it with a hammer. No, just kidding. The mortar and pestle, we're gonna smash the ingredients. If you don't have this, you can use food processor or a blender. Masukkan 4 biji bawang merah, shallots, 4 ulas bawang putih, garlic, halia sebesar ibu jari, ginger as big as your thumb. Tumbukkan sampai hancur. Smash them really well. Sehingga menjadi begini, till they look like this. Masukkan 2 batang serai yang sudah dipotong. Put in 2 lemongrass stalks that have been cut. Sikit je tumbuknya. Macam ni. Just smash a little bit like this. Tuang minyak masak dalam kuali or some cooking oil into the wok. Masukkan bahan-bahan yang telah ditumbuk tadi. Put in the ingredients that you just smashed. Buka api dapur bagi dia besar. Turn on the stove to high heat. Tumis hingga berbau wangi. Stir fry until fragrant. Masukkan 2 sudu besar lada kering yang sudah di blend. Ni saya guna yang dah beku dalam 2 cube. This is dried chili that I've blended and frozen. I'll show you another video later how to make this. Ada banyak cara nak buat ayam masak merah ni ataupun ayam berlada ni. Kalau anda tanya mak saya kata ni bukan caranya dimasak. Masak ayam berlada. Ni resepi makcik saya. Makcah. Resepi makcah yang saya telah ubah sikit-sikit. If you ask my mother, she would say that this is not the way to make red chicken. She has her own way. This is my aunt's way that I've improvised a little bit. So everyone has a unique way of making this. Like some people like it all of this to be blended, and some people like it crunchier, like I do, like this. Masukkan secawan air. Add in 1 cup of water. Masukkan dalam beberapa sudu teh tomato paste. Put in a few teaspoon of tomato paste. Now the original recipe from my aunt, she uses ketchup. Dalam resepi original makcah, dia guna sos tomato. Tapi saya tak suka manis. Sos tomato tu agak manis je. Saya tak suka, so saya guna tomato paste. So the ketchup is actually very sweet. I don't like it sweet, so I use tomato paste with water instead. Kalau anda suka manis, kalau guna tomato paste, boleh tambah gula. Dalam sesudu teh gula, boleh tambah. If you like it sweet, if using tomato paste, you can add a teaspoon of sugar if you want. You don't have to. Masukkan tomato dalam tin. I'm using this whole canned tomatoes. Secubit garam, pinch of salt. Masukkan ayam tadi. Add the chicken from before. So almost done. Ayam masak merah ataupun ayam berlada. Malaysian Red Chicken. Hidangkan bersama nasi putih. Serve it with white rice. Enjoy.